Connecting Clipsal momentary switch with Fibaro Dimmer. Showing the connection here. This is momentary switch. So by installing momentary switch, you can have both physical and a smart control on it. Okay, you see the switch going to, yeah, we're connecting now. S1 and Fibaro Dimmer. Make sure the connection is firm and strong, so it's not dropping out when you're putting it in the wall cavity. Other one goes to SX. Yep. SX connection is done. Okay, neutral going to neutral part, N with an N on the dimmer. And the live going to live, the first one. So the last bit is output to the load.
Connection of blue light.
Yeah, it turns the blue light on the back of the switch as well. Yeah, so it's be visible during the night time when the switches are off. Okay, it's powered and you can see the blue light is in the back of the switch and you can manually
dim
it out. Yeah, if you hold the button you can dim it in and dim it out. With one push it completely turn it on and turn it off. Just showing here. One push.
on.